And you will be, again, impressed after knowing the age of this gentleman here. He's just 18, and he has also built Cybergenics. 30 seconds, tell us what you do at Cybergenics.
So basically in Cybergenics, we have our own AI systems that are trained on the models of the corporate, and what we actually focus on that they learn by the human nature, the human working, the human workflows, and it's a automation workflow system. So this is what we build at Cybergenics Security.
And you have received a seed funding of 9 crore rupees valuation, right?
Yeah, so we have just cracked a funding at a valuation of 9 crores, and we have a team of 15 to 20 people. And you know what, like this funding was too much for us because our system, our vision, and the investor who believed in us for this vision was too much for
But
us.
Divyansh, you're just 18. मतलब क्या motivation थी इस बाली उम्र में आप ये industry में आ गए? What made you start and what was your motivation?
I don't think so. It's some crime to start at the age of 18. So, like, the age factor of 18 was never a limitation for me. It was always an opportunity that I have the time, I have the energy to learn, to take risk, to fail. Because I believe that as much I failed, I learned that much. मुझे कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि भाई इस बार मैं फेल हो रहा हूँ तो क्या पता मैं इसे अगले करूँ या ना करूँ. जब भी मैं फेल हूँ, it is always coming with a pros con as well. So starting so early was totally the benefit of my failures and the support I get from my university, from my parents, from my, especially my co-founder as well, my co-founder Prakhar. They all supported me a lot, literally. Like if I talk about my university, so my university has provided me the space. The labs, of course, you know, the AI system is too much heavy to operate. Galgote has provided me the whole infrastructure of NVIDIA labs with the high-end GPUs, CPUs, and the testing models as well, like many things more.
Are you teacher's favorite as well?